how to get Moviebox app. In this video, I'll show you how to get the Moviebox app. So, if you're trying to download the Moviebox app into your PC or laptop, what you can do is to go ahead and open your browser and search for moviebox.ph. And then in here, as you can see, you'll find this download app button at the bottom left of your screen or at the top right of your screen. So as you can see, you just need to scan this QR code to download it into your mobile device. Now let's try downloading it into our PC with this. So as you can see, I have downloaded the executable file version of Moviebox. So to be able to get the app, you need to go ahead and open it on your local drive and then double click on it to start installing it into your device, and then follow the wizard that will pop up to continue and complete installing Moviebox into your PC or laptop. And that is how you can basically get Moviebox app on PC or laptop.